Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a surprise box that I recently received from a toy store company called Tittlemouse Toys. The owner sent me quite a few items that I will be unboxing here in a few minutes. And if anybody has any suggestions on what I should start on first, please let me know. These toys would be great for birthdays and Christmas. And so thank you so much, Tittlemouse Toys, for sending me these gifts and letting me review them for you. So after this, I will show you the website and then we'll get into the box. So here's the website, Tittlemouse Toys. It looks like they're having some kind of coupon deal this autumn. A place where you can get baby clothes, arts and crafts, puzzles and games, toys. Looks like they have lots of things. Looks so cute. Arts and crafts. Looks like reasonable prices as well. Yeah, so if you have a chance, go check out the website, tittlemousetoys.com. Okay, so I cut the tape a little bit and peeked inside already, but let's dig in, see what's in here. Looks like I got a Rose Fairy and Sprite kit. Let's see. A DIY pine cone kit. That's cute. A fresh flower necklace. Aww. With the business card. Let's see, where's this? Waterproof sketchbook. Very nice. And this feels like a book. So I already took it out of the plastic and it looks like some kind of rice paper, origami paper, very sturdy and durable. Very shimmery pink flowers on it, very pretty. So I'm guessing it goes with this book here. Oh, how cute. A kimono. I guess it's an origami kimono. And it looks like a storybook. Oh, that's so sweet. Let's see. This waterproof sketchbook. Looks like it's made of like a leather. Very nice. It's got a bookmark. Waterproof stone paper. This fresh flower necklace. Make your own fresh flower necklace. Oh, how cute. I can't wait to get into that one. The pine cone fairy kit. This is so adorable. Let's see. Open this with one hand here. Okay, the instructions, very handy. How to make the little body. How adorable. And then I guess this is all like the little little bags of material to make the body and the little pine cone. So cute. I might, after I make that, I might put that on my Christmas tree. See what's in here. Rose fairy kit. It's so cute. Okay, so it's very similar. Again, the same with the bags of little materials that you can use. You can see it. This one's the, looks like the pink and blue one, so the front cover ones. How adorable. Let's see if I can get this back in. So shout out to Tittlemouse Toys. Thank you for all these free gifts. I'm so excited to get into all of this. Let me know if anyone has a suggestion of what they would like me to start on first. I'll probably leave reviews for everything eventually, but yeah, I'm excited. So again, shout out to Tittlemouse Toys, and I will leave the link to the website in the description below. Yeah, so check it out. Please subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.